Hi students, welcome to all to the digital lessons conducted by Telangana School Education Department. Students, we are going to learn today some important concepts in our number system. That means students, you might have been working with numbers in various situations in your daily life, and we are using numbers in so many operations where they required in appropriate situations. They are multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So students, today we are going to discuss about the multiplication and the division concepts, and up to 2-digit numbers we are discussing today. Observe on the screen. After presentation of this lesson, you will be able to understand about the concept of multiplication and division. Understand the process of the multiplication and division of 2-digit numbers. And to give appropriate reasons in the process of multiplication and division, you will be able to solve problems dealing with multiplication and divisions in your daily life. So, observe on the screen. What you are observing? Some plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You are observing on the screen. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, children, total number of rows are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each row, how many plants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, the total number of plants is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that equals to 20. And this can be written as 4 times of 5. And this is 4 into 5. This into symbol is for multiplication. We are using this symbol for multiplication. So, 4 into 5 means 4 times of 5. Okay, we will go for another situation. Here what you are observing? Right, mangoes. Total number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So, number of mangoes in each row. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. In each row there are 4 mangoes are there. So, totally how many mangoes are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each row there are 4 mangoes. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 times of 4 or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that equals to 24. That can be written as 6 times of 4, and this can be written as in the form of 6 into 4, that equals to 24. Here 6 into 4. What is this symbol? This symbol is for multiplication. And here we are observing that what is the multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition of a number. Repeated addition of a number means, see here 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 like this. We are adding 4 times repeatedly. So, when we are adding same number in number of times, can find the result very easily with the form of multiplication. Right? Next, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The result is 12. And how can be written it as 4 times of 3? 4 times of 3. See here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times are there? 4 times of 3 equals to 12. Right? Next, how can be written as by using the multiplication symbol? So, 4 into 3, that equals to 12. 4 into 3, that means 4 3s means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? So, next, what do you observe here on the screen? 8 is adding repeatedly. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And what is the sum of this one? 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24, 32 plus 8, 40 plus 8, 48, 56. And how can it will be represented as 7 times of 8, that equals to 56. And it can be written as by using multiplication symbol 7 into 8 or 7 multiplied by 8, 56. Here 7 into 8 means what? 7 eighths. That means 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 7 times. Not 8 sevens, 7 eighths. If you want 8 into 7, if you write 8 into 7 means 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 8 into 7 means 8 sevens. We are adding 7 8 times. So, 7 into 8 means 7 eighths. 7 eighths, right? So, we will go for another situation. If the cost of a pen is 8 rupees, what is the cost of 4 pens? See, we have the price of 1 pen and we have to find the price of more than 1 pence, that means 4 pence. So, if we want to calculate for more than 1, that means we are using multiplication concept. So, like this, now it will be represented as 4 into 8. How? Cost of 1 pen is equal to 8 and for 4 pence 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So, that equals to 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 8 32. That means 4 into 8 equals to 32. See here, this is the multiplication concept we are using in our daily life. And one more situation we will observe. If the cost of 1 kg sugar is rupees 36, what is the cost of 5 kg of sugar? See, we have the price of 1 kg of sugar. So, cost of 1 kg of sugar is 36 rupees, right? So, what about for 5 kgs? That means 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36. So, we have to add 36 5 times. See how can we represent as in a multiplication form by using the symbol of multiplication. 5 times of 36, that means 5 into 36. How much? How will we find? See, 5 into 36 means in 36 we have 30 plus 6, 6 ones and 3 tens, that means 30 plus 6. See here, 5 into 36. Now, 5 into 30 we have to multiply and 5 into 6 we have to multiply and then add the products plus 5 into 6, 5 into 30 and 5 into 6. 5 into 30 is 150 and 5 into 6 is 30. So, 150 plus 30, 180. So, what is the cost of the 5 kgs of sugar at the rate of 36 per kg? 180 rupees. Understood, children? So, next we move for another situation. If the cost of 1 kg of sugar is 36 rupees, what is the 5 kgs of sugar? That means already we learned or we try to understood how we will find the result. But here we have to discuss about the process of multiplication in a standard form. So, already we know that 5 into 36, that means 536, 5 times of 36. Right? What is the standard form of this multiplication? 6 is in 1's place and 3 is in 10's place, or we are multiplied 36 by 5. So, here 5 into 6, here first we have to multiply 5 into 6, 5 into 6 we get 30, okay? 5 into 6 we get 30. So, what is the units place of 30? 0. 0 will be written here and next the 3 will be goes for the carry of the next tens place. So, 5 6 is the 30. In 30 the units place will be coming up into resultant and next tens place the 3 is moved to the tens place in a multiplication. So, next 5 into 3, 5 into 3. So, 5 3 is 15. This carry will be added for this 15. So, it will be 18. So, 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3, 180. Already we know that, right? Next, if the cost of 1 kg sugar is 36 rupees, what is the cost of 15 kgs of sugar? See, this is 15 times of 36. See children, we are going to some bigger numbers, that is 2-digit numbers of multiplication. So, 15 into 36. Can you able to add 36 15 times? That means 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 up to 15 times you have to add and get the result by adding 36, 36, 36 repeatedly. We are using a simple method by, instead of repeated addition, we are using multiplication concept. So, try to understand this process. So, in 15, there are 10 plus 5. So, 5 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. So, 10 plus 5. In 36, we have 30 plus 6 by using place values, right. The next, we have to multiply with 10 with 30 plus 6, and after that 5 with 30 plus 6, and after that we have to add the resultants. See, first 10 into 30 plus 6. So, 10 into 30 plus 6, right. Then plus 5 into 30 plus 6. So, next we will try to understand that 10 into 30 and 10 into 6, 10 into 30 and 10 into 6, and 5 we have to multiply with 30, and after that 5 we have to multiply with 6. So, 5 into 30 plus 5 into 6. Now, what is the resultant 10 into 30? 300. And what is the resultant of 10 into 6? 60. And what is the product of 5 into 30? 150. And the product of plus 5 into 6? 30. So, the sum of 300 plus 60 plus 150 plus 30 is equal to 540. Students, this is the actual mathematics behind that 15 into 36. While calculating the product of 15 into 36, that means we are adding 36 15 times, but it looking somewhat bigger process, no? So, we move for standard method. Okay. Next, we will see on the screen, if the cost of 1 kg sugar is 36 rupees, what is the cost of 15 kg of sugar? Already we have solved the problem by using place values and the multiplication process. Now, we are moving for standardized method. So, this is what we know, that 15 times of 36. So, you can write 36, 6 is in 1's place and 3 is in 10's place. So, 36 multiplied by 15. In 15 also we have 10 plus 5. So, first we have to multiply 5 into 6. So, in first step 5 into 6, that equals to 30. See, 30. So, in 30 the units place will come into resultant place and 3 will be moved here as a carry. So, 5 6 are 30, and after that second step 5 into 3 is equal to 15, then 15 plus the carry is 3, so 18. See here, 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 3 18, so 180, and after that we have 1 also, that means 1 means here it is tens. Why? Because 5 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place, so it is 10. So, we start the multiplication here. Actually, you may put 0 also here. Why? Because this is tens. So, the resultant should be started with tens place. So, 1 6 the next 1 6 the 6, and next fourth step 1 into 3 36. So, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 6 14, 14 can carry here 1, and 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5. So, 15 into 36 we got 540. So, once again I will write very simple manner, 36 into 15. First I have multiplied with 5 into 6 30, 5 6 is 30 and carries 3, and 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3 18, and you put here 0 or into mark, and 1, this is tens actually, 10 6 is 60, so 60, or 1 6 is 6, and 1 3 is 3. So, you add this 4 and this is 5. So, 540 we get. Okay. So, next you try to solve this 58 into 64 in standardized form. Okay. 58, 8 is in 1's place and 5 is in 10's place. We are multiplying with 24. That means 2-digit number with 2-digit number. 58 is 2-digit number, 64 also 2-digit number. So, what is the first step? First we have to 4 into 5, we have to multiply 4 with 8. So, 4 into 8, 32. we get 32. From 32, 2 will be written as in resultant place and 3 will be moved for as carry. Second step, 4 into 5 that equals to 20 and 20 will be added with the carry forward the 3, we have 23. So, this is 23 we can write in a resultant. And after that 6 we have to multiply with 6 also. 6 means here 6 is in tens place. So, that means it is the having place value 60. So, we have to put here 0 or into, right. Okay, good. Next third step, 6 into 8 that equals to 48. From 48 the units place is 8. So, 8 will be written in the resultant form and 4 moves for carry forward here. And next fourth step, 6 into this 5. So, 6 5 is a 30 and this 30 will be added for the carry forward the 4. So, we get 34. So, here we are getting 34. Then next you add this 2 plus 0 that is 2, 8 plus 3 that is 11, carry forward 1 and 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7 and this is 3. So, 58 into 64 is equal to 3712. This is the resultant we got. So, when we multiply with 2-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers, first you have to take units place and with that number which is in the units place you have to multiply with this one, and after that you have to multiply with tens place the digit which is in the place of tens, you have to multiply with that number to the initial number. After that we have to add the resultants. Actually we have done before that only in what where 50 plus 8 into 60 plus 4, that means what, first we have to multiply 4 to 8 and 4 into 50, 4 8 the 32 plus 4 5 the 20. So, this is 232, we got it 232, and after that 60, 8 into 60, that means 80 plus this one 3000. So, 3480, this is actually 3480. So, we adding 3480 plus 232, we are getting 2, 8 plus 11, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7, this is 3. See what we got? So, that means when we use the place values also we can do the multiplication. Actually, that is the mathematics. But while we are going to solve problems very speedily and rapidly to get accurate resultant, we are using the standardized method which is using for multiplication. See on the screen the different situation you are observing. Sonu wants to pack 8 candles. Each pack contains 2 candles. How many packs that he does make? See how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many candles are there? 8 candles. How many packs that he does make we have to find. But the condition is there, each pack contains 2 candles equally. Each pack contains 2 candles. So, we are regrouping the candles in 2, 2, 2, 2, right. This is first group, this is first group. So, 2 will be packed with 2 candles in one pack. So, remaining are 6. From 6, 2 will be packed in the second pack. So, 6 minus 2 that equals to 4. We have remaining 4 candles, and from 4 candles we packed with 2 candles in third packet, and see remaining 2 are there and we pack with 2 in a fourth packet. So, all candles are packed with 2 candles in 4 packets, right. See, observe here, we are subtracting 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 from this. How many times? This is first time, this is second time, this is third time, and this is fourth time. So, how many times we subtracted 2 from 8? 4 times. So, this can be written as 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Here we subtracted 2 4 times from 8. So, that can be written as 8 divided by 2. This can be divided by 2. This symbol is used for division, right? So we move for another situation. 3 children want to share mangoes equally among them. How many mangoes each will get? Think once, children, you will get an answer. Total number of mangoes are 15. See here, 15 mangoes are arranged like this. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. And in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes are there. So see, 3 children are there. So first child get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will see how many mangoes will get second child. See, second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remaining 5 will get by third child. So 15 mangoes arranged 3 equal groups having equal mangoes. In each group 5 mangoes are there. So 15 divided by 3, that means 15 mangoes classified or regrouped as smaller groups. Each group contains 5 mangoes. So that can be written as 15 divided by 3, that means or 15 mangoes divided as 3 smaller groups. So in each group they have 5 mangoes, right? We will see another situation by using this only. Total mangoes are 15. See here the standardized form of division, how we will do. 15 we can write as like this, and 3 is a divisor. 15 is dividend and 3 is divisor. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, right? So 3 fives are 15. You subtract 15 from 15, we get 0. See here. And then next, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. See here, 15 dividing by 3. 3 fives are 15. Observe carefully here. 3 and 15 and 5 and 0 are in different places. What are they actually? 15, the number which can be divided, some number that can be called as dividend, and 3, which the number is divised. 3 divides 15. The number divides the dividend, that is divisor. And here observing the 5, that is resultant, that is quotient. That is quotient. And what is the 0? That is the remainder. That is the remainder. So 15 is a dividend which is going to divide in a smaller groups, and divisor means we are rearranging in smaller groups the number of groups. That means 3 is dividing dividend. The divisor is dividing dividend, and the resultant is quotient, and the remainder is this one. 3 children want to share 15 mangoes equally among them. How many mangoes each will get? 5 mangoes already we found, right? If 5 children want to share those 15 mangoes equally among them, how many mangoes each will get? If 5 children are there, then what we will do? So we have to rearrange the 15 mangoes in 5 groups, right? Think once, if we arrange 15 mangoes in 5 groups, in each group how many mangoes will come? See, the total number of mangoes are 15 and number of children are 5. Here 15 mangoes are there, and we are arranging 15 divided by 5. That means 15 mangoes made 5 packs, or 15 mangoes, the large group divided as smaller groups, 5 smaller groups. In each group how many mangoes will come? So this is for one group, this is for second group, and this is for third group, and this is for fourth group, and remaining this is fifth group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So when we arranging 15 mangoes in 5 groups, in each group there are 1, 2, 3 mangoes are there. So when 15 divided by 5, we will get the resultant 3. Why? Because 5 threes are 15. So 15 divided by 5, we will get 3. And we move for the standardized method like this. When we are going to process the division, you have to write like this. Next, 15 is a dividend and 5 is a divisor. 5 3 is a 15. So 3 is a quotient. 5 3 is a 15. Right? 15 minus 15, the remainder is 0. Right? So next, 48 students were to be seated in 6 rows in a class. In a class there are 48 students are there. If equal number of students sat in each row, how many students were there in each row? See, we have larger number of students. That means we have the larger quantity and we have to divide it into a smaller quantity. So, when we are moving larger quantity or larger group to smaller groups, we are using division concept. Understood? When we are moving for smaller quantities to larger quantities, we are using multiplication there. Here we are moving larger groups from smaller groups. So, we are using division method. 48 students were to be sat in each row. How many rows we will given? 6 rows. So, in 6 rows, how many students were there in each row? See, total number of students are 48. Required number of rows 6. Number of students in each row we have to find. This is the data. When we going to solve the problem, first you have to read the problem and second one, identify the data what is given and what is the concept behind that. Is it a multiplication or division? And then process by substituting the values and getting the result, right? And next you have to check verification also you have to do. So, this is the problem solving strategy. First we have to read total number of students are 48 and required number of rows given 6. Number of students in each row they want. So, that is 48 students will be rearranged or regrouped as 6 groups. In each group how many students will come? Go for standardized method. So, 48 is dividend here and 6 is divisor here. See, so 6 table we know that 6 1 is 6, 6 to the 12, 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 the 42 and 6 8 the 48 and 6 9 the 54 and 6 10 the 60. Here what is the appropriate? That means 6 8 the 48. So, 6 8 the 48. So, here we will get 8 as a quotient and 6 into 8. This is 6 into 8. 6 8 the 48. 6 into 8 48. So, 48 will comes here. Remaining the subtraction of 48 from 48 will get the 0 remainder. Lata has 80 crayons which she will place in crayon boxes. Every crayon box can contain 10 crayons equally. How many crayon boxes does she need? Total number of crayons is 80 and number of crayons in each box contain that 10 crayons. Required number of boxes we have to find. So, 80 can be divided into 10 groups. 80 crayons can be divided into 10 groups. See, 10 multiplications, 10 8s are 80. So, resultant is 8, 10 8s are 80, the remainder is 0. So, how many boxes we required? 8 boxes. So, children, you try with your friends and try to get the results, and after that you have to discuss with your teacher. So, students, we discussed about multiplication and division with 2-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers, and we are using these concepts in our daily life, so many different situations where it required, and also we need this importance in further classes also. So, practice this multiplication and division with 2-digit numbers, and also you can practice 3-digit number with 2-digit number and move for further classes. Let us meet in the next class.